Today we're going to talk about how to accomplish cycle time. Now, when it comes to designing a piece of manufacturing equipment, piece of automation, you need to find ways to accomplish a quicker cycle time, right? Because the majority of the time, if you're not accomplishing the quickest cycle time in a very creative way, you're spending more money to accomplish the same thing. And a lot of times it can be a lot more money. If you double the amount of money to do the same automation with the same amount of cycle time by simply being creative. And I'm just going to give you guys one way that you can be creative. I'm going to give you two ways quickly. One, optimize your speeds on like say for instance robots. You optimize your speeds, optimize your curves. So this is going to be three. Okay. Now I'm going to get into a little bit of a different one. And that is to design your system to have stations, right? So at least think about it in that type of mindset. It doesn't have to actually have stations, but to have stations where a particular process happens, right? So let's say we're going to twist something, we're going to bop something, we're going to pull something, right? You know, this might be the twist station, this might be the bop station, this might be the pull station, right? Each one of these stations performs operation on whatever the product is. And by doing that, you can have multiple operations happening simultaneously. Now, while doing this also, you have to keep in mind, this is something that can potentially consume more space, but this is manufacturing. Things happen through operations, through processes, right? Most systems, especially in large manufacturing facilities with ton of output and ton of production, their systems are all designed to perform a piece of production, piece of automation within a particular station, right? It may be a cell, a robot cell, and within that robot cell, there's a bunch of operations that happen within that, but then there's generally other cells that within those cells there's other operations happening. And then whenever you're designing all this, that you design them with the same cycle time in mind. So you don't want to have something that's going to have a 20-second cycle time while everything else has a 15-second cycle time. If that occurs, then that's going to be your bottleneck, and you're going to be stuck with that 20-second cycle time no matter how fast anything else could run. So just keep those things in mind. Hopefully that's a good tip to help with your automation and makes your systems a little bit quicker. Catch you on the next one.